Hi, this is Karen Weatherford, and I've used Temu for many years. And unfortunately for me, it's a rabbit hole for me because I'll start out looking for one thing and I'll end up going to other categories. And before you know it, my checkout box has $100 and something worth of discounted products. But I have never had to return anything, which is amazing to me. So that's my story.
Yay. And she's sticking to it.